That was a look at live monitor layout options. But I want you to see some of the added control you receive by adding a live monitor to your control console. When a clip is playing in a layer on your show, the live monitor brings up varying controls in its panel that enable you to command that clip. For the sake of time in this tutorial, I've preloaded some clips of different kinds in ScreenMonkey's dashboard. I've set my display profile so that it will project outside of my screen capture for this tutorial. All of the clips will be in the active layer, and they will show in layer 1 on the live monitor. If, however, remember, you have any kind of configuration with your live monitor in which you have each layer tabbed, in order to see a layer, you must select that layer. Keep that in mind. What we're interested in for this tutorial is how the live monitor window changes depending upon the type of clip being played in the presentation. Now, I'm not going to cover all of the media types that Screen supports. This is just a representation so that you can get a good idea on how the live monitor can add control to your presentation. In the first case, I've loaded a video clip. Now, a video, a DVD, and an audio clip are going to respond in pretty much the same way. When you play a video, audio, or DVD clip, the live monitor will present some playback controls. These playback controls enable you to pause or play, back up. They enable you to do all kinds of different control, even the volume of a media. My suggestion would be that you look up in the ScreenMonkey help file under the category Live Monitor within the heading Running a Show and read up on these playback controls to know how each function. Now let's stop my video clip and we'll take a look at an image clip. When you play an image clip, don't let this throw you. That really is the face of a camel. Yes, it is. It was a picture. So when you load an image clip, the image clip is duplicated in the live monitor so that you can see the image that is being displayed. How about another kind of clip? A web browser clip. With a web browser clip, you get a small representation of the web page that is being displayed. You can actually type in the header here and change the web page, see different destinations, and surf the web from this location. Something that is similar to a PowerPoint is a song lyric clip. Song lyrics are really the most basic way to add text to your show. When displaying a song lyric or text clip, on the left in the live monitor window will be the text of the song lyric. This gives you a place where you can drag up and down in order to read the text in its entirety. The live monitor also gives you a thumbnail view of the slides that are generated by ScreenMonkey of your text. Above the thumbnail are some control buttons. These control buttons allow you to navigate through the individual slides of a given song or set of text. Notice, simply by clicking, they can change. You can also change your slides by clicking in the body of text upon another heading. Now, there are still other types of media that can be handled or generated with ScreenMonkey, and the live monitor controls for each of these may differ slightly. I suggest adding one or two of each types and then practicing so that you can learn the view and control capabilities of ScreenMonkey's live monitor. Before we close out this tutorial, I wanted to touch on something that you may have noticed during the lesson. When I was showing you some of the examples of ways that you could add a live monitor layout to your main window, I toggled through something called the View menu. Now, to access the View menu, simply click on the View menu icon that is in the upper right in ScreenMonkey's main window. This will give you a tool. This tool is for saving personalized main window layouts and then switching between them as you need. To save a personalized main window layout, first you need to make your design. Then you want to enter the View menu and click on Customize. From the next menu that comes up, you will choose New. And then you'll be prompted to title your personalized layout. Once that is done, it becomes one of the options listed as a design view for the main window. You can then click on each one of these changed options and switch between views to use the view that works best for you. Well, once again, we have covered a lot of material in this tutorial. But let's hit on some highlights so that we can reinforce what we've learned. The Live Monitor is a tool for viewing and controlling a media clip playing in one of ScreenMonkey's 3 layers. Its panels can be shaped and patterned in a variety of ways, so try out some designs until you find what works best for your setting. You can save main window designs with the View menu so that you can switch between layouts if your situation demands. When ScreenMonkey is displaying the various kinds of clips it can handle or generate, the Live Monitor many times will offer special controls enabling you, the presenter, direct command of that media clip. To gain the best grasp of these controls, practice and read up on the Live Monitor in ScreenMonkey's help file under Running a Show. Thanks again for watching another tutorial, and may ScreenMonkey continue to add power to your presentation. Next, we will be moving into a segment of tutorials on loading, sorting, configuring, and showing clips.